Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can freeze a pane in this Excel to navigate whatever data you have in this sheet particularly. So if you have some data which has some header, like for example in this video in this Excel, let's see this header we have here, like ID, first name, last name, email, gender, IP address, etc. and all. And here on the first column we have this sequence number, right? So if you want to make this first row as static, so that when you scroll down, that row will remain at the top and it will be visible overall when you will scroll down till the end. Okay, so it will be useful if there are a lot of columns and you don't have to go up and check what column was that, right? So it will be useful in that respect. So mm, to do this, just go to view. Okay, and now here you have this option, freeze panes. Okay, here there are three options. I will show you one after another. So first one is freeze top row. When you will do this, what it does, it will basically freeze the top row. And now see, if I scroll down, the top row that contains the header, it's not moving up, right? It's static. And if I go down, and it will stay as it is, right? So it will be very helpful if you go down to check some data and again you forgot what was the column number or what was the column definition for that. You have to go again up and check that. So this kind of scenario, this will help a lot. Okay, I'll try. I will unfreeze print. Now again, the second option that we have, freeze the first column. So this is the earlier example we saw was for a row, but this was for a column. If you want to freeze a column, similarly, like if I do this, the first column that contains the ID, that will get freeze. So if I scroll to the right, just see that the first column is static now and it will not move. And if there are multiple data on here, then also if you scroll to the right and extreme right, this particular column will stay as it is. And to do both, so there is another option. If you want to freeze the first row as well as the first column, so to do that, just place the, like, highlight the cell, corner cell basically, over which you want to do the um, static freezing for the column and row. Just highlight this cell. So if I want to freeze this row and this column, then I have to basically highlight this cell and go here on the plane and like click on this freeze pane. Then what will happen, this first row and the first column will be freezed. See, if I go here, then the first column, you'll see it's freezed, and if I go down as well, the first row is also fixed. Just remove this. I'll try to show you. If I select this one, then what will happen, this A and B column will be freezed, and on the first row it will be also freezed. So if I highlight this and go to freeze pane, now see, it's the first row is fixed, but if I move sideways, now see, A and B both are fixed. Okay, if I go on this and let first unfreeze the pen, and then if I click on freeze again, then the row 1 and 2 will be freezed, and here A and B column will be freezed. So if I go right, C and B are fixed, and if I go down, then C, row 1 and 2 are freezed. So in this way you can play around, and this will be useful. You have a lot of data, and if you go down to see some data and again forgot what was the column number, or if you go right to some data and you forgot what was the sequence number or something like that, that will be very useful. Okay, so I hope this video will be useful to you on any purpose, and thank you for watching my video.